Okay, today you are going to be taking the Colonial, Virginia test. Make sure your name is at the top and the date is at the top. Okay, we're going to go ahead and get started. Number 1, people in Virginia made money by A, building ships, B, seafood, C, farming tobacco. People in Virginia made money by doing what? Building ships, seafood, or farming tobacco. Number 2, most white men were farmers, soldiers, or bakers. Is it A, farmers, B, soldiers, or C, bakers? Number 3 wants you to look at the picture. Someone is holding some seeds and someone is holding apples. The picture shows A, barter, B, credit, or C, debt. Number 4 wants you to use the map. Number 4 says, which 2 regions did Africans work in? Choose 2. So then you choose 2 of the correct answers. A, coastal plain, B, Piedmont, C, Blue Ridge Mountains, or D, Valley and Ridge. Choose 2. Where did Africans work? Number 5, you may also look back to the map. Number 5 asks, where did the Scots-Irish live? A, the Shenandoah Valley, B, Jamestown, C, the coastal plain. You might want to pause the video and look back at the map. Number 6, where did the Indians live before 1607? Where did the Indians live before 1607? A, only in the Appalachian Plateau region, B, only in the Piedmont region, C, all over Virginia. Where did Indians live before 1607? Numbers 7, 8, 9, and 10 use the word bank at the bottom of the screen. The word bank words are agriculture, cash crop, slavery, and tobacco. So fill in the blank with one of those words. Number 7 says, a crop that is grown that you sell is a, choose agriculture, cash crop, slavery, or tobacco. Number 8, a product colonists could trade was blank. A product colonists could trade was Number 9, this happened because white men wanted more tobacco. Which of those things? Which happened because white men wanted more tobacco? And then number 10, this word means farming. Again, your options are agriculture, cash crop, slavery, and tobacco. On the next page, you'll fill in a T-chart. The question asks, why did Virginia's capital move? There were 2 moves. Why the capital moved to Williamsburg on one side, and why the capital moved to Richmond on the other side. And you have some options down below. You just need to write in, next to the numbers in the T-chart, what belongs where. So here are your options at the bottom. fire, dirty drinking water, hide from the British, people were sick, more in the middle of Virginia. So choose those regions. Where do they belong? Was it the reason that they moved to Williamsburg or the reason the capital moved to Richmond? There should be 3 options on the first side and only 2 options on the other side. You might need to pause the video to finish this part. Number 17, buying something now and paying for it later is called A, money, B, credit, C, barter. Number 18, the colonial people made clothes using A, tobacco leaves, B, cotton or wool, C, animal skins. How did colonial people make clothing? Number 19, is Roanoke an English or a Native American name? A, English, or B, Native American? Roanoke. Number 21 gives you a chance for you to choose. Would you rather have been a settler or a Native American? Choose one of those sentences to finish. I would rather be a Native American because, and then state something true about a Native American life. Or I would rather be a settler because, and state something true about how settlers lived in colonial Virginia. You may need to pause the video to finish this sentence. The last question asks you about the pictures above. There's a barn, a church, and a house. The question asks, how do the buildings show the culture of colonial Virginia? And they want you to fill in the blanks with the words from the bottom. The words at the bottom are agriculture, believe, another agriculture, and then culture. Churches show what people blank. Houses show styles of buildings called blank. Barns show the blank of blank. And I think one of these words was meant to say architecture. So go ahead and change that on your piece of paper so you don't get confused. We just changed agriculture to architecture. Go ahead and pause the video and change that to architecture. And fill in the blanks with those 4 words. Good luck.